Hi guys, so I'm back with another unboxing video. This time it's gonna be the goods that I got for renewing my Japanese fan club for BTS. So yeah, it's an envelope. This I just opened it because yeah, and so if you join now or renew it this time, you get a photo album, I believe. And yeah, here it is. Yeah, so mine was almost what's it called? Was almost over. Well, not really. I was supposed to renew it by August, but I just couldn't wait. Mainly because they had this thing where they would sign it, autograph it, one of the members, but obviously I didn't get lucky. How sad. But yeah, this is what you would get. So, oh wait. So obviously I didn't have my hopes high because, like I said, I'm not lucky. That sucks. But anyways, yeah. So it's just a plain photo book. No, it's a short video, but yep. And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.